Hi, this is Nina Kate, and you're watching Expert Village. And today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetarian sandwich. Now, there are a lot of meanings for the term vegetarian, and some people are vegan, some people eat only raw. Personally, I just don't like to eat the flesh of dead animals, and that is why everything in this sandwich will be from a vegetable product, or the dairy, which comes from an animal, does not cause harm to the animal, and that is what I'm going to show you today. Okay, now we're going to go over the ingredients that you will need to make this sandwich. And first and most importantly, of course, we have the bread. And you want it to be a nice sturdy bread because otherwise your sandwich will fall apart. We're going to be using a lot of ingredients. There's going to be a lot of moisture and weight, and you want to make sure that it holds together. So I'm using a rye bread. And focaccia and ciabatta are also good breads to use, but I like rye with the flavors that I'm using. Next we have cheese, and I'm going to be using a Swiss cheese and a provolone cheese blend. I love cheese, so I'm going to be using a lot of that. Then we have olives. We have our cremini mushrooms. Button mushrooms will do. Portobellos are also okay. I like the flavor of cremini, so I'll be using those. We have tomato. We have avocado. I like things a little hot, so I'm going to use some jalapeno there. And then we have the pickles. I like the long slices of pickles. That way they're less likely to actually fall out of your sandwich like the chips can do. And I have a Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, and some fresh organic mixed greens. And those are the ingredients that I'll be using to build a sandwich. And now we can start slicing.